Yeah, good morning. Can I have your resume, please? Can you tell me about yourself?
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. I'm Vishnuardhan from Karnal, but currently staying in Hyderabad. I graduated my BTech in Adishankara College in the stream of Computer Science, Engineering and Technology. I belong to a nuclear family. My father is a self-employed, my mother is a housewife, and etc. ma'am. And my short-term goal is to get a job. And my hobbies are surfing internet and listening to music and etc. My technical skills are Java, HTML and CSS, and JavaScript, and database MySQL. My projects are, I have done two projects. One is banking management system and student portal, which was helpful by students and teachers. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Can you tell me something about your project?
Yes, ma'am.
You have done two projects,
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
So either explain for 5 minutes, at least 5 minutes you need to explain. So banking management system or college portal for teachers and students.
Yes,
Any
ma'am.
one of the project you need to explain.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, explain.
First one is banking student portal, which was helpful by students and staff. That I was done as in HTML code, ma'am. The main purpose of that project is it is useful for the students and staff. For example, in exams, we have to students study as in PPTs, books, materials, syllabus. All the students we have to search as in YouTube. We have to gather all the information. I created one website. In that website, I have to post all the details, PPTs, ebooks, materials, syllabus copies. When you have to click that button, then it will be display syllabus or PPTs or previous question papers. Like that, I have to create it as an HTML website.
Okay. Based on HTML
Yes.
you have created.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. That's fine. You have done workshop also, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Raptor.
Raptor.
What is the meaning of Raptor?
Raptor is one of the tool, ma'am. Basic HTML like that. Basic algorithm, ma'am. For example, you have to learn logically. First, you have to learn algorithm. How to work as algorithm. Algorithm is nothing but step-by-step process. How to work the program. We have to study in the Raptor tool.
Raptor tool.
Raptor is tool.
Okay. So you are saying that you will browse the data, right?
Yes.
Your hobby,
Yes.
one of your
Yes.
hobby.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So what type of browsing you will do?
Yeah, why I said hobby? Because every day we touch the phone and we have to search anything, as in WhatsApp or Instagram or everything. So that's why I mentioned that like hobby. Hobby means every day without your touch phone we can't sleep now, ma'am. So that's why I mentioned hobby. Every day I search as internet, as Instagram or Reels or Google.
What you will search?
Yeah, as in study or general knowledge. I morely studies and knowledge only. Because now I am preparing IT sector, so that's why I play Java, HTML, CSS, whatever the full stack courses I'll search as in internet only, ma'am.
Okay. Are you comfortable with which programming language? I think in your resume you have mentioned that you are having Java basics, even Python basics, HTML you have mentioned.
Yes, ma'am. HTML comfortable.
You are comfortable with HTML. So how much rate yourself out of 5?
4, ma'am.
4. 5 out of 4.
5.
Okay, that's fine. So what is HTML?
First of all, HTML is the abbreviation of HTML is hypertext markup language. By using that HTML, we can create web pages as dynamic web pages or static web pages. Web pages means we can create our own web page by using the HTML code. That is the HTML.
Okay. What are the features of HTML then?
The features of HTML is simple. Simple means everyone we can read, everyone we can write. It is easy to understand. Platform independent. That means we have to run as in any browser, not even one browser. That we have run as in any browser. So it platform independent and linkable. Linkable means we have to link one website to another website. That is one of the feature. and video and audio files we have to upload our web pages. That is also one of the etc. These features are in
Okay. What is semantic HTML?
semantic HTML. Semantic HTML is one structure, ma'am. It has one structure. By using that structure, we have to create our web pages. There are two types of semantic. One is semantic and non-semantic. Semantic contains table, forms, like that. We have to tags will be there.
Explain the layout of HTML.
Layout of HTML. By using that layout, it was one structure. By using the layout, you have to build one web page. For example, in header file and section file, on the bottom of the web page, it must be a footer. By using that, we have to divide that whatever we have data. That means it have one structure. For example, we can tell like it is a blueprint. By using the blueprint, we have to design our web page.
Okay. What is the difference between HTML and XHTML?
XHTML. HTML is I already told dynamic web page we have to create our web pages. XHTML we can store the data and transfer the data. It starts with question mark.
Okay. What is the difference between block level element and an inline element?
Yeah, block level element. Yeah, block level element starts with new line. Inline element cannot start with new line. That is the major difference of block level element and inline element.
So what is an IP address?
Yeah, IP address. By creating a web page, we should have IP address. IP address, it must be unique. Every website it has one unique website, unique IP address. Based upon IP address, we have to identify or track easy to track by using IP address. It must be unique.
Okay. So can we take random IP addresses? Is it possible?
No, ma'am, it's not possible.
Okay. What are the latest versions of IP addresses?
IPv4 and IPv6, ma'am.
V6. IPv4 occupies how many bytes?
IPv4. It takes 128, ma'am. 128 bytes.
IPv4.
IPv4.
Are you confident?
IPv6, I think 128. IPv4, it can have 4 bytes.
4 bytes. Okay. So can you tell me about marquee tag?
Yeah, marquee tag. By using that marquee tag, the purpose of marquee tag is by scrolling purpose. For example, every day we can see a live example, ETV news. It must be scrolling for the headlines. So based upon the marquee tag, that will be scrolling.
Okay.
If based upon the client, you have to design that marquee tag. Either you have to scroll upside or downside. It must be possible. Based upon the marquee tag, it must be created. Best example in our ETV news, it must be scrolling.
Okay. What is an empty element?
Empty element, that must be no content of data. By using BR tag, you can no empty.
Okay. What is the meaning of BR?
BR is nothing but break, ma'am.
Okay.
By break means, for example, we created one website in that body. We created a paragraph. After that, we have to we want some space. By using that BR tag, we created space.
Space, or you will go to new line?
Yeah, it goes new line. It must be break up. That paragraph will be break.
Okay. What is the use of figure tag?
Figure tag. By using figure tag, same common. By using figure tag, we inserted the documents and images. We insert the coding also. What we want coding. By using that figure tag, we insert these things now.
Okay. What is the difference between div tag and span tag?
Yeah, div tag and span tag. The both are we are adding styles now. Div tag contains element block and span tag contains inline tag, and by using div tag we have add CSS style, and by using span tag in there only we add styles, whatever styles you have, for example background color, italic, like that we have to add styles. That is
Okay. So can you tell me about something list?
list.
How we can represent a list?
Yes, ma'am. List ordered in the list we have two types: ordered list and unordered list. Ordered list means by using ordered list, it must be a structured 1, 2, 3, 4, or Roman numbers, or small Roman numbers. It must be a ordered
What
list.
is the tag we can use for ordered list?
Ordered list. OL.
Okay. What about unordered list?
UN.
UL.
UL.
UL. Okay.
Unordered list means we can example we can declare the square bracket, circle, like that is called unordered list.
Okay. So can you write a program based on ordered list and unordered list?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
HTML. This is the open tag, and here case sensitive is not there. We can write as in HTML capital letter or small letter. Whatever we have to write, it will be executed as in browser.
Okay.
Title or ordered list. This is the open tag and this is the ending tag. The difference between the open tag and ending tag must be line here, and body. In content, I ordered list.
We can write a title tag directly, or we can represent in the header tag.
If we can represent in head tag, or we can write it directly also, ma'am.
Okay.
It must be executed.
Okay.
We can write as in head tag also, ma'am.
Okay.
Or OL means ordered list. In the ordered list, we have list elements. For example, list elements I take as C line, example C. Java. Example Python. This must be open tag and end tag. Open tag, end tag. This must be a list items. Here I open, so I want to close it.
Okay. So when we are using ordered list, we need to mention the type. So where is the type attribute?
Type attribute. If you want to if you want to type, you must be add here now.
Then you did not mention the type.
Yeah, because if you it must be a ordered list. Here type equal to I mentioned capital letter. By the output here 1 and 2 and 3, C, Java and Python. Output will be print like this, and here
OL tag, close it.
yes, this must be closed, and HTML closed. And if this is the output, the extension of Python is you must be dot HTML. You have to save the file .html only, and if I want Roman numbers here, I will replace one as Roman number, then output will be printed Roman numbers. For example, If I want,
See, you are keeping it as 1. 1 means 1, 2, 3, it will print. First you have kept right, so that is the Roman number.
yes,
So capital I indicates that uppercase
Yeah.
lower Roman
yes,
numbers.
ma'am.
But you are saying that keeping 1 and you are saying it as
Yes,
Roman numbers. You are confusing, right?
For example, if I want to print as 456, it must be a type here 4. After that, it will be printed 456
Okay.
like that.
Okay.
That is called ordered list.
So how you can print unordered list then?
Unordered, you have to exchange as a unordered list. This is the ordered list. No, unordered list means syntax. The tag will be different.
Okay, what is the tag we can use for unordered list?
UL. That means
UL
the
tag.
unordered list.
Okay.
If I replace as UL, closing tag, it must be unordered. Here, if I didn't mention any type, it must taken as circle. It must be taken as.
First you need to
Dot.
mention the
If I mention any type, type equal to circle, it must be taken as circle.
Can we leave empty like this, or we can keep it in a single quotations or not?
It must be a single quotation, circle.
Okay. You did not close the body tag, so you
Yes.
are opening the tag but you are not closing the body tag. It will work out in HTML. Can we write like that in HTML?
No, ma'am. Must and should be have closing tag and ending tag. If they that
If,
element.
suppose if you are forgotten ending tag,
Ending tag.
will you get any error, or it will work out? It will work.
It will not work now.
It will not work
It will
if you are
not
not
work.
giving ending tag.
Ending tag. There is one tag, ma'am. BR tag and HR tag. It has only one starting tag only. Ending tag is not compulsory. Is not necessary, or it has no ending tag. For example, if you give here BR, it has no ending tag. It has only starting tag. BR means break.
Okay, that's fine. So can you write down your program for table tags?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. How we are creating a table row.
Okay.
Yes.
Inside the body only we have to write all the code now. So title is table. Now I want to create table. Table tag means first we have to create one table. So I take table tag. Inside the table tag I created table row. By using the table row, the tag is tr. And inside the tr tag we have to table heading. First, for example, I want output like this. This is the table, and inside the table I want two fields. One is serial number and one is S name. One and example here Vishnu.
Okay.
I want this. This is the table heading and this is the table data.
Okay.
So I want table tr. I created tr, and after that table heading. Table heading serial number. Now I want to close the table heading tag. Next table heading S name. The tr will be closed. Now I want another. Now I want to insert the table data. So I want to create another tier. Table data. One.
Okay.
Table data.
What is the difference between cell padding and cell spacing?
Cell padding and cell spacing.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Cell padding means that space between the cell and the cell content. Here table. Inside the table, cells are there. These are the cells and this is the table wall. Cells between this space, it is called as cell padding. Cell spacing means inside the cells, here cells, this is one cell and this is one cell. Space between these two cells, it is called as spacing.
Cell spacing. Okay. Complete the program.
Table data. Again TR close. Next TR I'll close body. Next head.
Head we close at the end. Head tag will be closed at the end.
First you have to end the head tag. After that you have to.
No, it is wrong. Head tag should be closed after the title, but you are mentioning
After
at
the
the end.
title. No, here also we can.
So then whole program will be commit as a title.
No, ma'am.
So where we can close the head tag then?
So,
Okay, that's fine. Next, write down your program for marquee tag.
market.
Yes. You can scroll either top to bottom or left to right. Okay, bottom to up or right to left. Any one direction you can print. Okay, that may be a string or that may be an image. Anything you can take.
Now I want to write code as marquee tag. By using that marquee tag, the purpose of marquee tag is by scrolling purpose, ma'am. This is the open tag and this is the close tag. I want to write the information from here. By using this tag, school tag.
So, can you are scrolling this string in the up direction or down direction?
If you didn't mention any direction, it must be scroll from left to right, ma'am.
Okay,
If
by
you-
default it is
by
going
default
to take.
it will take as left to right.
Right. For suppose I want to scroll bottom to up, then how you can represent?
At the time you mention the direction here, ma'am.
Okay.
Direction. I put as direction up, so it will be scroll from upside, ma'am.
Okay.
If I put down, from down side,
From down to up it
up,
can
yes.
scroll. Can we delay it for some time? Is it possible?
Uh, Sorry, ma'am.
Did you listen that attribute in the Magneq tag?
I hear, but I didn't any practice in.
Okay, that's fine. So can you write down program for navigation tag?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, just remove from Magneq tag and write down how you can perform navigation tag. How you can write down navigation tag.
Navigation purpose, ma'am. This is one document and this is one document. Now I want to document from this to this.
Both
ma'am.
are different documents.
Both are different documents, sir. Different documents. I want to navigate from, when you click this one, I want to go this document. At the time you use as navigation purpose. By using anchor tag we can navigate, ma'am. For example, this is HTML1 file. This is HTML. By using this link, we can navigate from this place to this place. First, here we have to write here click or anything for the user comfortable. When you click this, we go. This is one document. By this document, we have to move from another document.
You are creating anchor tag is used to create a link between one file to another file.
Yes, ma'am.
But where we are using navigation tag then? We are not using any navigation tag, right? That's fine. Can you write down any login form example by using forms in HTML?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. Can we create labels to that?
Yes, ma'am. We can create labels.
Okay, how you can create a label then? Sample code you can write down, not there, but a side you can write down how we can create a label. What is the tag we can use?
By using label. By using that label, we can create a label.
Yeah, your technical round is completed as per now. Okay. So why are you showing too much interest on this position?
Yes, ma'am. Once upon a time, I didn't learn any coding. At that time, I use HTML. Somewhat interest as in web pages, ma'am. So that's why, based upon my interest, I want to learn coding in that HTML. So I want to choose that position.
Okay. Simply you are saying that you are interested in developing
Yeah.
developing side.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So why I need to hire you?
Uh, because I want to learn technologies. I want to one opportunity or platform. So um,
What are your salary expectations?
I'm a fresher, mama. So I want experience. Whatever salary I will accept.
Is there any salary is there in your mind? For suppose if I am giving 10,000 salary per month, so will you accept it
Yeah, accept.
as a fresher? Okay. Okay, your interview is completed as per now. You just wait outside. Our HR will inform you for further rounds.
Thank you. Have a nice day.